Assalamualaikum and good morning to everybody. So, can you introduce your name and your position?
Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anwar bin Ahmad Salih and my position is kitchen supervisor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabil bin Zalaluddin and my position is safety manager.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Muhammad Nazir Naif and my position is management for facility.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ali Pravin Fisha and my position is customer service officer. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you. So, thank you for attending the meeting. So, let's continue. So, reason for discussion is for discussion about an issue that went viral about Langit Airline. So, this issue will be addressed by the staff worker to give opinion or suggestion about why this issue happened and way to overcome this issue for upcoming future company Langit Airline. So, in this meeting, we use 3 electronic communication use. First, Gmail. Second, Telegram. Third, video conference, Zoom. So, let's continue with the main topic that we have to discussion. So, Mr. Anwar, can you give explanation regarding first issue?
Alright, thank you for giving me this opportunity to share the first issue that have happened in our company. Alright. Okay, last month, one of the food hygiene problems have occurred in Langit Airlines, which is the incident of food contamination. This includes cases where the passengers have reported food poisoning after consuming in-flight food. Due to the passengers have shared this bad experience on the social media, which is his own personal YouTube account, it has become viral and a nightmare to our company. This incident raised concerns and criticism from the public as well as our authorities. So, based on the investigation that we have found a few causes of the problem, including the first one is improper food processing. So, improper food processing can cause bacterial or viral infections. For example, if the food is not cooked perfectly or is not kept at the right temperature, it can become a source of food contamination. The next cause is unsafe storage. So, unsafe storage of food in the cabin, especially in appropriate temperature conditions, can cause bacterial growth and increase the potential for the food to become spoilage. The third causes is a failure to follow food safety standards. So the staff might do not follow established food safety procedures, such as using unsanitary equipment or not wearing gloves when preparing food. So of course, it can increase the risk of food contamination. The next causes is a poor food quality. Because our company have a limited budget and resources for the kitchen part, of course, the selection of poor quality and poorly monitor food suppliers can cause food hygiene problems. The food that is not fresh or has expired can be the cause of the problem. So in order to combat this problem, a few solutions have been chosen. The first one is strict adherence to food safety standards. So ensure that all staff members involved in food handling are trained on, and strictly adherent to established food safety procedures. So this includes proper hand hygiene, use of clean equipment, and adherence to temperature control protocols during food processing, storage, and servicing. Besides, learn to the emergency response procedures in the event of food-related incidents. I think it is okay to spend a bit more for the cost of providing training program in order to make sure that our kitchen staff become expert in handling food preparation. The next solution is enhanced monitoring and auditing. Implement regular monitoring and auditing process throughout the food supply chain, including suppliers, catering facilities, and onboard food preparation areas. So this helps to identify any error in food safety practice and allows for corrective actions to be taken earlier. So the next solution is improve food storage practice. So maintain proper storage conditions for food items, including maintaining appropriate temperatures and storage durations to prevent bacterial growth and food spoilage. The last solution is quality control of food suppliers. Implement strict quality control measures for food suppliers, including regular inspection and audits to ensure the freshness, quality, and safety of food products supplied to the Langit Airline. Hopefully, all my recommended solutions can be considered in order to solve this problem effectively and of course to make sure our company can always be competitive and relevant. I think that's all from me.
So thank you, Mr. Anwar, for the explanation. So the first issue
All
is
right.
food contamination. So what Mr. Anwar explained is cause of problem of food contamination is improper food processing, unsafe storage, and fail to follow food safety standard, poor food quality. So I think from suggestion Mr. Anwar give, the best solution enhance monitoring and auditing and improve food storage practice. So as we can see from the picture, we can see that feedback from our passenger from our service food is bad. So I think our company have to take serious about this issue because it can affect to health passenger. So let's continue with the second issue. So Mr. Nabil, can you give explanation regarding second issue?
Okay, thank you for giving me opportunity to talk about the second issues. Okay, 6 months ago, Langit Airline was surprised by an issue, which is an issue that related to the safety. This safety issue was identified through several passengers who upload a video to their social media of the airplane window being loose, slightly open, and slightly cracked. This thing will cause the entire passenger and crew to be in a state of danger and high risk. The uploaded video has gone viral all over the world and caused public to criticize and give a low rating to Langit Airline. So, the causes of the safety problem is the first one, weather condition. Surf weather like storm, strong wind, or heavy fog can impact the safety of aircraft operation. It can affect visibility, create turbulence, and make landing and takeoff challenging. The second one is design or manufacturing defect. Flaw in the design or manufacturing process of aircraft component can potentially compromise safety. This can include structural weakness, faulty system, or inadequate testing. The third one is security threat. Act of terrorism or unauthorized interference can pose significant safety risks to aircraft and passengers. Strict security measures are in place to prevent such threat. The last one is improper maintenance. Inadequate or improper maintenance practice can lead to safety issues. Regular inspection and adherence to maintenance procedure are essential. So for the solution, regular maintenance and inspection. Keeping up with maintenance schedule and conducting through inspection can help catch and fix potential issue before they become safety concern. The second one is improve weather monitoring. Implementing better weather monitoring system can provide real-time update on weather condition and allowing pilot to inform the decision and avoid dangerous situation. The third one is strengthen security measure. Implementing stricter security protocol such as through passenger screening and enhanced cockpit security can help prevent security threat on aircraft. The last one is upgrade the aircraft design. Incorporating safer and more efficient design, material and system in aircraft can enhance overall safety and performance. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
So thank you, Mr. Nabil, for the explanation. So the second issue is about safety. So what Mr. Nabil explained, cause of safety problem is design and manufacturing, security threat, weather condition, and improper maintenance. So the best solution from Mr. Nabil is upgrade aircraft design, improve weather monitoring, and stringent security measure. And as we can see from a video that from TikTok, the passenger review the window have cracked. And I think our company have to take more serious about this issue because it involves life of passenger and it can affect of passenger can get injured. So I think our company have to prepare a good budget for this issue. So next, so Mr. Razin, can you give explanation regarding the issue?
Okay, thank you. I explain you about the third issue. 3 months ago, Langit Airline has the problem where the issue for security, which the issue related to security. This security issue was withdrawn passenger about the poor security. No coffee shop. The issue for security was allowed one passenger at its block. Where are the money when it's missing? Because see, the airport was operated, it has been managed by several incidents of ceiling compressor and black packages of window and door because of poor position. The cause for the poor perspective problem. Number one, the free congestion screening and estimation free power outgo at the airport. Number two, air conditioners are still not working. Number three, poor baggage handling equipment. Number two, escalator are not working. The solution for the problem is backup power system. Implement robot backup power system such as the generator of unreliable power supply (UPS) unit can meet the impact of frequent power outages. The system can approve emergency power to critical airport operation, including screening and estimation, ensuring interrupted service during power fluctuation. Number two is emergency maintenance. Emergency maintenance is the issue cannot be resolved immediately. Consider implementing temporary solutions such as temporary air condition unit or fan to provide temporary relief where repair are underway. Oh, thank you for the ISP about this issue.
So thank you, Mr. Razin, about the explanation. So the third issue is about poor facility problem. So what Mr. Razin explained is cause of poor facility problem, few functional screening and X-ray machine, air condition are still not working, poor baggage handling equipment, escalator are not working. So I think the best solution for Mr. Razin's suggestion is long-term planning and emergency maintenance. So based on picture that Mr. Razin give, so I think this issue will have to take more serious and take more detail because if this issue continue, it can affect to our company. So let's continue with the fourth issue. So
Alright.
Mr. Ali, can you give explanation regarding fourth issue?
Okay, sir. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for giving me opportunity to talk. Okay. So lately, our company gets so much complaint about our customer service department. And one of the most eye-catching I get is about our flight from Heathrow, London to New York. So, sir, the complaint is about the frustrating experience with Langit Airline from the automatic fueling system issues to the pilot expired hours, and then all those 400 passengers being stranded at the lock gate at Heathrow Airport. And at the hotel, check-in process was a disaster with a long waits and no food available. And for the last, they did not provide compensation or basic necessities. It must have been incredibly inconvenient and tiring for the passengers. As a customer service, I completely understand the frustration and the disappointment with the whole experience. Okay, sir. So now, for the solution, can you move to the last slide, sir? All right. Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. So I came with the solution. The first one is about the automatic fueling system or etc. When a plane has a trouble with its fueling systems, it's important for us. It is important for the pilot to follow the proper procedure and the protocols. They might need to contact the air traffic control or the maintenance team to assess and resolve the issue. And then the second one is about the pilot's expired flying hours. When a pilot flying hour expired, it means they have reached their maximum allowed flight time. In such a cases, it is crucial for the pilot to adhere to aviation regulation with prioritized safety. Our company will have to add more backup pilots who can take over the flights. It is important to ensure all the pilots are well rested with their legal flying limits to maintain a safe and secure journey for everyone on board. All right, for the third one, for the crew, when there is no crew available to guide the passenger, it is important to us to have a contingency plans in place. We may call in additional staff or seek an assistant for ground personnel to provide necessary guidance and support to the passenger. It is crucial to keep everyone informed and ensure their safety and comfort during such a circumstances. All right, for the first one, sir, is about the hotel check-ins. Okay. Dealing with hotel check-ins, issues can be frustrating. If the passenger encounter any problems during check-in, we must add more assistance to help the employee to make sure the process becomes smooth. We will train them to handle such situations and will do their best to assist. All right. For the sorry, sir. All right. For the last one, sir, it's about the passenger. Very disappointing when we doesn't offer any compensation. In this case, those passengers can try to reach our Langit Airlines customer service department to express their concerns and inquire about possible compensation options. It is important to us to provide them with all the relevant details and documentation to support their claims. Additionally, passengers can also consider filing a complaint with the appropriate aviation regulation authority in the country. And I, as a customer service officer, I will try to give the best experience for passenger to make sure all they still use our airlines as their official carriage for everywhere. All right, sir. That's all from me. Thank you, sir.
So thank you to Mr. Ali for the explanation. So the fourth issue is about poor service. So what Mr. Ali explained is about the cause of poor service is plane having problem with the fueling system. Pilot hover flight is expired, no crew available to guide the passenger, issue with hotel check-in and didn't offer any compensation. So I think the best solution that Mr. Ali can give suggestion is maintenance team to resolve this issue, call in additional staff, and have 24-hour customer service department for passenger to inquiry their compensation. So for this issue, I think our company have to take serious and take action as soon as possible, because the issue can affect to our company as a big company airline in Malaysia. So that's all. So lastly, in conclusion, based on 4 issues that we have discussion, I believe that our team can handle for this situation. And for suggestion to you all guys give the suggestion, I think we can do the best solution and we can provide the proper budgeted to the solution. And for the some issue that more serious, such as for the issues about safety, we have to do action as soon as possible. And for the service, I think we have to give best service to our passenger, because as we know, as we one of the big company airline in Malaysia, so we have to take care the image of company. So that's all for me. Thank you. Have a nice day.